no echo. There's not. Right. My shoebox is broke. It has. You keep putting too many shoes in, so it keeps breaking. So we need to fix it. Now Mr. Producer thinks I'm going to be able to fix it, so we're going to give it a go. We are. As you can see, it's full. So we're going to put all my shoes down here. This is only a little bit of my shoes. Don't look, Mr. Producer. It's a bit like a TARDIS. They just don't keep coming out. There's even ones I didn't know that were in there. How dusty they are. I think I've worn them recently. I tend to wear them for funerals. It's rather dusty. Sounds good, doesn't it? So I had to take all the shoes out, which we're nearly there. We're nearly all out. Yes, last one. Glitter! Right, now I've never done this before, but Miss Producer says you just pull that out. So that's, okay, that's out. I'm surprised about that, it's gone so simple. Now, you're going to push it together, he says. And it's meant to fall forward. Oh, it fell forward. Does it come off? Slides out. It's not sliding out. Oh, felt the slide slid out and fell off. Right. So we'll put that there. Yeah? Is that okay? Right. Now we bought the lovely shoe boxes from Ikea. It's getting dusty up here already. Yes, we get the lovely shoe boxes from Ikea. Now this must happen to a lot of people because there is a place near customer services where you can go and just, oh look, there's a piece I need. Little boxes on the wall. We keep getting a few because they keep breaking. But these ones we actually asked the people for at the counter. Yes. Would you believe they knew what we was talking about when we was trying to explain it though? Yeah. Now we've got broken ones in here and we've got ones that are broken because, so that's one that's not broken, that's the one I'm going to fit on. Okay, that one is broken because there's a reason why we've kept it. So that one would have gone on that side, okay, on that side, because that side's broken. So what you can do, because this side's still not, is you can turn it around and use it on that side. Now when both sides break, shot it, yeah? But because one side's not broke, one side fits all. Yeah. So we're going to get down on the floor now and we're going to put the new one on, hopefully. So there's two little screws in here. You just unscrew it off, like so, and one. Mr. Producer built this up. Now this was pre me building everything from Ikea. This was built. You built this up, yeah. That's why I've never done this before. So now that one can be reused, can't it? Yes. What, can it not be reused on? Okay, right, we're going to put a new one on. We're going to put a new one on. So I've got my new one. I'm going to put the back screw in first. Yeah. So you just line up your screw. I'm not going to put it all the way in until I've got it. I know, that's what I'm thinking. Is it broke? Why is it falling off then? That looks identical to that, just the opposite way round. Was it broke? Why was it falling off if it wasn't broke? Has it just dropped out? Did you not check that? No, well we've fitted a new one now, so oh well. We have a spare one for when the other side breaks. So now I'm just going to tighten it. It's good to show everybody anyway how to mend them, isn't it? Even if it may not have needed mending, which it didn't look like it did. So that's the new one fixed on. Let's take that one off. That one, the back part's gone on that one. So yeah. So it's the opposite way round to that one. Right, so now, this is the fun part now. I've got to get this back on. That side. I'm not quite on that side. Are you in? Ta-da! Doo-doo-doo. I fixed it. I think it might have just dropped out. So then you slide the middle bit back down. You do. There's little grooves in here to slide it down. All my flip-flops were together, weren't they? And they're both falling over there. Ow. I put my foot under there and twisted and nearly broke my leg. Ow. Right. One there. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. They're the ones I normally wear for the army show. These ones. Surprised they're as white as they are. Other shoe. Other Mickey Mouse shoe or Minnie shoe. I don't know where the other pink one is. Is that beside behind you there? So I'm sure. No, don't kick them all. Just want the pink one. Just want the pink one. Thank you. In fact, they're what I use a lot, aren't they? They're not all going to go back in neatly. I have no thing that they're going to whatsoever. But if I can get them back in resembling neatness, I'd be happy. I like my ballet shoes, I do. Problem is I always buy some even though I've got enough. Always. I've lost the black one. Do you know where the black one is? My Crocs aren't going to fit in there, are they? They're not going to fit. My horrible trainers. These are my horrible trainers. These are the ones that I've been wearing a lot of recently. Ta-da! The broken bit, the broken bit. Pair of slippers which I'm going to put on and a pair of slippers I'm going to bin. So yes. Is how you fix the shoebox. Now that's not bad going because that's the first time I've ever done that. That's not bad whatsoever. It's not. So I will see you all soon. Don't forget to like the video for me, subscribe to my amazing YouTube channels, and follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, Adelesexyuk. Hey! If you want to come and support my YouTube channels, come on over to my Patreon. Pledge your support for only $1 a month. If you're not sure how to get there, don't forget you can always Google it. So Adelesexyuk, Patreon, the link will come up, or come through my Twitter and Instagram, which is at Adelesexyuk. And I'll see you soon, my lovelies. Goodbye.